So we're going to try to connect the headlights. So first we need to insert. Yeah, that's it. It's held by 10 mm bolts. So these silver bolts should go inside here into this clip. So the headlights have 4 connections. I connected 2 already behind here, and then the last 2 are over here. This grey connector here and this one over here, like so. So 1, 2 and 3, 4 are behind. Okay, so that's done. Now we'll do the next headlight. That's it. So that's it, the headlight is fit, coolant is fine, the power steering fluid is fine. Yeah, so this is a no-name brand tire, Comet or something, but it's a new tire manufactured on 34th week of 2019. So 2 tires are from 2019. The Bridgestone Potenza is actually very old tire. This is from the year 2004. But when you look at it from outside, there's no cracks and there's enough tread life. So it's strange that such an old tire still looks this good. Anyways, I need to replace all the 4 tires. The spare tire, I haven't seen that yet since I purchased this car. So the spare tire is inside. Oh, the spare tire is gone. There's nothing on it. It's all torn. Okay, so one of the old tires, I'll flip it into this wheel. So let me show you guys the new tires. So these are the new summer performance tires that I got for the Celica. So the brand is Kumho. These are summer performance tires. They're very good brand tires, and the model number is Extra HS51 and the size is 205 55 R15. This is the recommended size for the Celica. Let me show you the tread pattern. It's very good rubber. And it's very budget friendly. It just cost me $140 per tire. If I go for like Michelin and Bridgestone, those are like almost $220 to $230 per tire. Obviously fitting and balancing is extra. I think that comes around $20 to $25 per tire. It has good life and it has good wet grip as well. So I'm excited to install this on the car. So let's load it up. Guys, the boot of the Celica is massive. So now you know why they call it the practical sports car. That's it. Massive boot space. Man, I love this car. So yeah guys, finally I'm going to do the rego for the Celica. Wish me luck. I hope it gets done today. I'm pretty excited. I hope I fixed everything on the car perfectly fine. So let's start and go ahead. Yeah, so me and my daughter are going to get the rego done. That's her over there. So we're pretty excited. Yeah, so actually I'm driving the car right now without the rego, and in NSW this is actually allowed. Many people don't know this. If you're taking the car for rego and blue slip inspection, you can just do that one trip and back without rego. So I'm going first to the mechanics to get the blue slip, which is the inspection report, and then I'll have to go to the service NSW to get the rego done. That's why I'm driving the car without rego, and a lot of people are staring on the road. You don't need to go to service NSW to get that special slip to drive the car. You don't need that. You can drive without rego, but you need to make sure that you have the inspection booking SMS from your mechanic, so that if a cop catches you, you can show that to him. Yeah, so that's all you need actually for driving this car without rego in Sydney. So as you can see guys, I haven't got my Rego yet. Well, good news, I got the blue slip inspection done yesterday for the Celica. It passed without any issues, but I got the report very late, like around 6:30 p.m. and service NSW closes at 6 p.m. and that's the reason why I couldn't get the Rego done yesterday. So right now I'm going to drive the car, obviously without Rego, to service NSW in Blacktown and get the number plate and the Rego. I should also get the green slip. Green slip is pretty expensive. I think it comes around $800 to $1,000. I'm not sure how much. I'll have to go there and find out what that costs. So let's go get that done. So that's it guys. I got the Rego plates. It's done finally. The green slip was pretty damn expensive. It was around $768. And then the Rego was around $591, which is almost the cost of the car. It's just insane here in Sydney. It's too expensive. But it's all done now and I can legally drive my Celica on Sydney roads. I'm very excited and very happy. So next I'm going back to my mechanic shop to get the AC gas refilled. I didn't do it yesterday because it was late. So I'll do it now so the AC will be sorted, hopefully. So the AC was regassed without any issues. There were no leaks. The build is finally over. The Rego is done. Now all I have to do is just drive the car. So in the next episode I'll be talking about all the challenges I faced with this build and what was the total cost of this project. It will be a very interesting one. So do stay subscribed to my channel. If you like this vlog, do hit the like button. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.